Ethiopia, a nation of 80 million in the highlands of East Africa and roughly 3 times the size of Germany, has for some years now invested heavily in expanding its industrial production. Though coffee still ranks as the top export product, Ethiopia's booming leather industry is in second place.
One is we have potential resource. The second one is there is low cost labor. And the third one is there is a very conducive business environment.
Helped by governmental development programs and international support, the leather sector has moved away from its centrally planned past and is now a market-oriented export engine. Private and state-owned enterprises alike are fueling this trend by investing to modernize and increase production capacity.
Our customer would like to increase our capacities, that's why we are expanding the market. But for the quality, we don't have any single problem with our customers. Even for the delivery time, we are meeting, we have a good relationship, we are doing fine.
Business is booming for Ephraim Jirga. After years of manufacturing for the home market, he has made his company fit for exporting by continually improving quality. A newly constructed production facility will permit the company to keep up with growing demand.
Well, we know timing is everything in this business, so we always try to, first when we get the orders, we make sure that it's the amount that we can reach. We make sure that we can achieve that quantity, and then if we think that we can achieve that quantity, we will take it, and then we'll make sure that we deliver on time.
If you are not a reliable partner, you cannot stay in this business for a long time.
The ability to reliably meet European production and management standards makes Ethiopia a top location for new investment.
Initially it was really hard because we had to convince our foreign customers that shoes produced in Ethiopia or manufactured in Ethiopia are really worth their time and their investment to look into. Now more and more companies are interested. In my opinion, the future of the shoe business will be in Ethiopia.
With over 30 million cattle and some 45 million sheep and goats, Ethiopia has Africa's largest livestock resources. This vast potential for raw materials and the exceptional quality of leather produced by the country's dozen modern tanneries yields a decisive competitive advantage.
One of the reasons most international buyers will come to Ethiopia to buy our product is the genuine quality of the leather, which is only found in Ethiopia in terms of the sheep skin and the goat skin. In European and in most Asian countries, they prefer to work with Ethiopian material because of the altitude and the way the animals are grown. The leather is very tight, the grain is very good.
Not only are producers highly efficient and flexible, but manual labor costs are low. This has resulted in many orders for hand-finished products, also from German clients. Limited to smaller manual labor workshops for now, the trend for the future is clear.
My plan is, to produce high-class classic shoes. It's not very fast and cheaper shoes. High-class classic shoes is dressed shoes is very quality, high-tech, and high-quality leather, and it will take perfect. It must be perfect. It is standardized for all over the world.
Gesacho Negash took on the challenge of entering the international market early on. Using German and Italian machines, his company makes products for the upscale segment. He explains another key reason why demand is growing.
To come to Ethiopia, you don't pay any export tax or import tax for other countries like Germany, Italy, or anywhere in Europe, if they buy from Ethiopia, they don't pay tax.
Sure enough, even international industry giants are discovering Ethiopia.
Well, our export has started about 8 years ago, and we had good acceptance on that. Now, to get witness, you can ask ARA of Germany, which is one of the best shoe manufacturing organizations. They buy from us.
ARA, a German shoe manufacturer with over 4,000 employees and 6 wholly owned production sites around the globe, produces some 8 million pairs of shoes annually, selling them in 40 countries. ARA is a true global player, present in all key markets.
ARA is always open to new ideas. We listen closely and then evaluate. In all honesty, to us, Africa didn't appear to be the most obvious opportunity. But the timing was right, and we said, okay, let's hear what they have to offer.
When a delegation representing Ethiopia's leather industry arrived in Germany, it didn't take long to remove all doubts. Now, ARA is building a new production facility near the capital of Addis Ababa.
Ethiopia's industrial sector clearly shows unparalleled economic development. The quality materials, implementation and workmanship are all obvious strengths, and there is still so much untapped potential in the labor force. Ethiopians are extremely reliable people with wonderful human qualities, and that is also very important to our company.
Qualitative Art der Menschlichkeit, was für uns Unternehmen sehr wichtig ist.